Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including the link to LendingCrowd, are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using LendingCrowd. LendingCrowd, a peer-to-peer lending platform for personal loans. LendingCrowd offers a refreshing alternative to traditional bank loans, providing personal loans with competitive rates and flexible terms. It's a peer-to-peer platform, connecting borrowers directly with investors. This approach cuts out the middleman, leading to potentially lower interest rates and a more streamlined application process. This makes LendingCrowd an attractive option for individuals seeking a more personalized and transparent borrowing experience. LendingCrowd offers loan amounts from £1,000 to a substantial £500,000, with repayment terms extending up to 5 years. This flexibility caters to a wide range of financial needs, from smaller personal expenses to larger projects. Whether you need a small loan or a significant sum, LendingCrowd may have a solution for you. The application process is designed for simplicity and convenience, conducted entirely online. You begin by providing some basic information, including your financial details. LendingCrowd then performs a soft credit check, which won't affect your credit score. Based on this information, you'll receive a personalized loan offer outlining the interest rate and repayment terms specifically tailored to your financial situation. One of LendingCrowd's key advantages lies in its competitive interest rates. These rates are often more favorable than those offered by traditional high street banks, particularly for borrowers with a strong credit history. Transparency is another plus. LendingCrowd charges an origination fee, the amount of which depends on your loan size and term. Importantly, there are no prepayment penalties, allowing you to settle your loan early without incurring extra charges. Managing your loan is easy with LendingCrowd's user-friendly online dashboard. This tool provides a clear overview of your loan and repayment schedule, helping you stay organized and in control of your finances. If you are searching for a flexible and affordable personal loan and prefer an alternative to traditional banks, LendingCrowd is definitely worth considering. Its competitive rates and transparent approach make it a compelling option for borrowers looking for a more personalized lending experience. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to LendingCrowd, where you can learn more and begin your application.